Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
Hello and welcome back to another vlog. Today I have for you a crazy day full of errands and packing for our honeymoon. In Nathalie's fashion, we're doing it last minute. I've come to the realization that I just like to live for the thrill of it. You know what I mean? I like the stress, I guess. But anyways, I just came to Home Goods really quickly to return a few things, and now I have to go to UPS to return Amazon and then Target to get some last minute things for the honeymoon. I'm also returning a hat that I got that didn't work out. Let me show you. I actually got two hats, and this one I'm going to be returning because it's giving Thailand and not Europe. So we're not taking this one. It's huge and it kind of like covers my entire face, which is why I love it so much. But my friends and Eric bullied me to not get it because apparently it's not flattering. But I have another one from Target that I'm planning on bringing, and I'll show you once we get home. Alright, I'm back home now. Let me show you all of the things that I got for the wedding, which is a lot. I feel like it's kind of like a mini wedding, and I'm trying my hardest to only take a check-in bag without a carry-on and just my personal item, which is rare for me. I know I should be aiming for a carry-on, but there's no way. There's just no way that I'll be able to do that. I'm hoping everything fits in my base 29-inch luggage. I also got a backpack from Amazon that I'm aiming for it to work out, because if not, I'm gonna have to use my base bag, but we shall see. Let me just start getting everything out to show you. All right, first things first is the Target hat. I bought this one with the other one that I showed you, but I ended up returning the other one and keeping this one, which I feel like fits really nicely and not as big. Probably looks weird with my hair right now, but this is the vibe. Usually hats don't fit me. For some reason I have a big head, small face, but this one fits really nicely. I'm obsessed with these flower hair clips. They're so cute. I have to bring this. I don't know if I'm bringing it as my personal item and then my backpack as like my carry-on, but my best friend gifted me this for the bridal shower and I'm obsessed with it. I also have this tote. And you know, one thing about me, in case you didn't know, I'm a tote girl. So should I bring both? No. Will I bring both? Perhaps. Technically, this is my pile of clothes, and to be honest, there's way too many dresses here, so I might have to get a few more casual outfits for my closet, or buy them in Europe. That's my goal. But so that I don't overpack, I'm going to try all of the outfits over there just to see how they look and how they feel on, and then we'll move on from there. As I finish packing and doing my little fashion show, because I need to figure out exactly what I'm wearing, Eric is going to be cleaning my brushes.
It's kind of therapeutic.
I found out that he cleans brushes really well.
I'm good at cleaning dishes and the kitchen and stuff, so it makes sense.
And now this is his job, so
I'm domesticated, folks.
You'll be enjoying him cleaning my brushes.
Martha Stewart 2.0.
Lighting right here, not the best, but I went to Primark and got a few things, mainly for the cruise, to be honest, because I have a feeling it's going to be way too hot in the countries that I'm going, especially Italy. But I've never been on a cruise, so I don't know if it's going to be a little chilly at night. So I got this nude sweater and then this like stripe one so that I can throw it over a white outfit, you know? It's supposed to give close to grandmother. These are extremely wrinkly, but I got these white linen shorts. They have like a peplum detail at the bottom, and then a bunch of random stuff. So these sponges, these travel bottles, got a pack of these rollers, and then some jewelry, these beautiful earrings, this necklace set, some anklets, with my new initial. And lastly, these beautiful earrings, which I feel like are very on brand for Amalfi Coast.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road, we crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you. I did it all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you.
Alright, today is a crazy day. We are leaving in a few hours. I cannot believe I did this so last minute, but you know what? Let's move on. I feel like I'm literally running like a chicken without a head. I was this close to stop vlogging because I obviously didn't continue to vlog yesterday. I'm just going to film as much as I can and then put it all together. But yesterday got very chaotic, which is why I stopped vlogging. But I did pack as much outfits as I got together, and now I'm going to lay them in the bed again. I just need a few more casual outfits because I do have a lot of dresses and like more dressy outfits, and I know for a fact I'm going to need like more linens and shorts and t-shirts and just like casual things like that. So yeah, let me just quickly hop you here and show you the outfits because we are running late. I need to water the plants, I need to paint my nails, I need to do my toes. Oh my god. I think I'm going to get the outfits that I am considering bringing still because I need more. I have these fanny packs. I bought this t-shirt at H&M and it says Marseille. So perhaps I'll bring it. This, maybe this would be cute together. I have these shorts. I also have this yellow linen button down. I don't know what exactly I would use that for. I have a night in Ibiza. I don't know if this is like too much. All right, let's get our nails done. Back home now, just wasted about 3 hours of my life. This is why I don't like getting my actual nails outside, just because I feel like it's such a waste of time. However, this time for the first time in my entire life, I am happy with my nails. Like, the girl actually killed it. And my toes. I'm not gonna show you my toes, but I'll show you my nails. I ended up getting dip, and this is what it looks like. I'm obsessed. This is the longest my nails have ever been as well, so pray for me that I can actually function. But anyways, we are back to our mess. I'm going to quickly run through everything. I have some shorts here. These are long pants, dressy shirts, casual shirts. These are slip-on dresses, dresses for nighttime, dresses for nighttime as well. And these are daytime dresses and sets up there. All of these are cover-ups. Honestly, I'm going a little overboard, but we are going on a cruise, so I feel like it's necessary. Then I have all of these swimsuits. I'm pretty sure I'm also overpacking for that. And I know that I might want to buy some swimsuits over there, but I'm bringing these. And then I have some workout clothes, my PJs, and then I have to pack my underwear. But that's pretty much it. So now I put a bunch of these like sticky notes last night for the outfits. I'm going to empty everything out. These are the shoes that I'm bringing. Hopefully, not sure. This one's pretty dirty, but you guys get the memo. I really wanted to pack everything by country. So like Portugal, Italy, Spain, or like cruise technically. So Portugal, cruise, and Italy. That was taking me way too long last night, which is why I didn't finish packing. So I'm just going to pack things by category, like all the shorts and shirts in one cube, and then all the dresses in another cube, and then the cover-ups and swimsuits in another one. So let's do that really quickly.
Want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, wanna fix, wanna heal where it's hurting.